Good evening, everyone. My advocacy is good health and well-being. It is my lifelong advocacy because I want to inspire people to embrace an active and healthier lifestyle so that we can contribute great things in our society and we can win for the gold medal for our Cagayan de Oro City. That's all. Thank you.
Many challenges faced by Filipino families today can be classified into one critical issue: teenage pregnancy. The rise in out-of-school youth, maternal mortality, and strained family resources. Since 2018, I have served as a youth leader, organizing seminars, outreach programs, and training sessions to address these issues. I believe that by raising awareness, we ensure that every young person has the ability and knowledge to make informed and responsible decisions for their future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maayong gabi mga higala. I always believe that education is our pathway to success, a key to achieve the gems that life has to offer. I am Sean Christopher Flores Arnaiz, advocating for those less fortunate youth to get quality education. I want to remind them that education is for all of us, without any boundaries. I want to remind them that no matter what happened, they must continue their education, because education is the most valuable thing that no one can ever take that away from us. And that's why I created this motto.
Your time is up, candidate number 6. Thank you so much.
When we talk about inequalities, it does not only affect the LGBTQIA, but also the straight community. Men, women, or anyone in between can be affected. That is why I am here, standing in front of you, using my voice on this platform to promote equality and reduce inequalities. Remember, we breathe the same air, we drink the same water, and we stand in the same land. That alone proves that we should treat each and everyone equally.
Congratulations, candidate number 9.
Maayong gabi mga higala. I am Warren Villanueva. Join me together with the Oro Integrated Cooperative. Let us all move forward and bring victory to our micro, small, medium enterprises, local-based companies and programs that as we advocate financial progress and freedom, as Cagayanan, we care, we deliver, we offer the best of our city. And as we celebrate our fiesta, may we truly embody the spirit of Panakikalay. Maayong gabi mga higala.
My advocacy is rooted in my passion and commitment to environmental sustainability. Specifically, promotion like cleanup drives, proper segregation, tree planting, and education. I believe that protecting our environment starts within us, and taking by action by individuals can lead to positive impact and better living. Thank you, my God.
Congratulations.
Three things come to my mind when it comes to Mr. CDO: leadership, resilience, and purpose. Leadership because I carry a burning torch in guiding others through example. Resilience because I face challenges that have shaped me to overcome obstacles. Purpose. My advocacy is juvenile justice, where I aim to ensure to continue that every child has a chance to rewrite their story. With all humility, I believe these qualities make me the Mr. CDO.
Yeah!